morning students. Welcome back to our today's video session of again chapter number 2 is matter around us, pure or impure. So before we proceed into today's video session, let us recall what we have learned in our previous video session. So in the previous video session we people have learned about the different types of mixtures, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. Then we have learned about the type of mixture solution, how it is prepared by using solute and a solvent. Okay, now by using solute and solvent we prepared solution. Then we have learned the different properties of solution, that means the properties which are associated with the mixture solution, and we have learned with the examples. Now continuing with the video part, in today's video session let us start that. Let us know what is actually a saturated solution. What do you mean by the saturated solution and what we mean by the unsaturated solution? कहने का मतलब है today we are going to learn कि saturated solution क्या होता है and unsaturated solution क्या होता है. Now when I am talking about the saturation, it means the amount of solute which can be dissolved in the given amount of solvent. Okay, now that decides the saturation point of any particular given solution. For an example, if I am saying a solution is saturated solution, अगर मैं कह रहा हूं कि कोई solution saturated solution है, it means no more solute can be dissolved. Okay, no, can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent. कहने का मतलब है कि now the solute and solvent both concentration has been equalized in the given solution. So जो भी solution हमने तैयार किया था उसमें solute और solvent का concentration जो है वो equal हो गया है. इसका मतलब ये है कि इससे ज़्यादा अगर solute हम add करेंगे it is not going to get dissolved in the given amount of solvent. Okay, so that particular solution can be defined as a saturated solution. For an example, if I am preparing a sugar solution, मैं एक sugar solution तैयार कर रहा हूँ. Okay, no? So I am going to add sugar. Sugar is solute and water is solvent. जब मैं एक स्पून डालूंगा, 2 स्पून डालूंगा, now slowly it is getting dissolved in the water. धीरे धीरे dissolve हो रहा है यहाँ पर. But एक टाइम के बाद क्या होगा यहाँ पर, after certain amount of sugar added to the water, वहां पर क्या होगा, no more sugar is going to get dissolved in the water. It means that the solution has been now converted into a saturated solution. That means no more sugar will now get dissolved in the solution. That solution we refer as saturated solution. Then what do you mean by the unsaturated solution? Here it means here unsaturated solution is one type of solution where more solute still can be dissolved in the given amount of solvent. अभी वो saturation पर नहीं पहुंचा है तो still we can add more amount of solute to that one and it will get dissolved in the given amount of solvent. Then we are referring it as unsaturated solution. What type of solution it is? Unsaturated solution it is. Okay students, so I think you are clear with the saturated and unsaturated solution. Saturated solution is a type of solution where the concentration of solute and solvent both are equal. That means no more solute can get dissolved in the given amount of solvent. It is saturated solution. And unsaturated solution is the solution where still the given amount of solute can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent. That is known as unsaturated solution. Then what about the solubility of solute? That means the next term about which I am talking is solubility of solute. What do you mean by this solubility? सॉल्युबिलिटी का मतलब होता है कि इट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट विच इज गेटिंग डिसॉल्व्ड इन ए गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट एट ए पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर. That means at some particular temperature the amount of solute which is getting dissolved in the solvent can be defined as the solubility of solute. It means at different temperatures the solubility of the solute can be varied or it can be changed. जैसे होता है कि अगर एक hot water में अगर हम sugar डालेंगे तो वो जल्दी dissolved होगा, एक cold water में डालेंगे तो वो थोड़ा सा टाइम लेगा. So therefore the solubility of any solute can be varied at a particular temperature. So solubility of solute can be defined as the given amount of solute which can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a particular temperature. That can be defined as solubility of that particular solute. Then how we can count solubility of a solute in a particular solution? As I have said that it can be increased with the increase in temperature and it can be decreased with the decrease in temperature. So if you are increasing the temperature, the solubility increases. If you are decreasing the temperature, then the solubility also decreases. So it varies with respect to temperature. तो temperature के साथ में ये vary करेगा, change करेगा. Temperature बढ़ेगा तो solubility बढ़ेगी, temperature घटेगा तो solubility भी घटेगी, वो भी decrease होगी. Okay, now the next is how we can find out the concentration, okay, of the solution. That means how we gonna calculate out the concentration of the solution. So let us calculate how to find out the concentration of the solution. That means suppose we have been provided with a solution, then he is asking us to calculate what is the concentration of the solution. मतलब वो हाईली कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है या मीडियम है, कैसा है, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ सोल्यूट और व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सोल्यूशन. देन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए गिवन सोल्यूशन? It means it is the amount of solute which is getting dissolved in a given mass of solvent. That means it is the amount of solute of a given mass getting dissolved in a given mass or in a volume of a solvent. So I can say amount of solute, okay, that is the given mass which is going to be dissolved in the amount of solvent, okay, no, or solution either in terms of mass or a volume. That can be defined as the concentration of a solution. इससे मैं concentration पता कर सकता हूँ कि कितना amount of solute मैंने कितने amount of solvent में या solution में add किया है. That will give me the concentration of any particular given solution. Okay. Now suppose we need to calculate the concentration of solution when both the things are given according to mass. कहने का मतलब है mass upon mass percentage. Mass upon mass percentage if you want to calculate, then here it is amount of solute in terms of mass upon amount of, okay, no, I'm again writing amount of solution into 100. ये हमें percentage basis पर देगा, okay, no, that means mass percentage basis पर देगा the concentration of solution. If one is given as a mass and another one is given in terms of a volume, तो mass upon volume concentration will be amount of solute that will be in the given with the given mass, amount of solution that is in terms of volume into 100. ये मुझे देगा mass upon volume का percentage. So अगर मास, दोनों भी चीजें अगर आपको मास में दी गई है तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इनटू 100, मास अपॉन मास. अगर एक चीज मास में एक चीज वॉल्यूम में है, देन वी विल बी टेकिंग इट एज मास ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन मास ऑफ सोल्यूशन, दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम इनटू 100। तो ये हमें कॉन्सेंट्रेशन देगा गिवन सॉल्यूशन का, ओके ना, दैट व्हाट विल बी द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द गिवन अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। फॉर एन एग्जांपल मैं आपको जैसे बताता हूं, suppose we need to calculate the concentration of a given solution where I have given that 40 grams of common salt NaCl is dissolved in 320 grams of water। देखो यहां पर भी मास है और यहां पर भी मास है, बोथ आर इन टर्म्स ऑफ मास एंड मास। So my formula is again amount of solute upon amount of solution। ये मेरा solvent है और ये मेरा solute है, this is solute and this is solvent। I don't have solution, so I have to add both of them। मुझे solute और solvent को add करना पड़ेगा, solute plus solvent will give me solution। So 40 plus 320 it will give me 360 grams of solution। So upon 360 into 100, so here it is 0 0 4 1s are 4 9s are, so 100 upon 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 1.1 approximate, okay now, is the concentration of the given solution in terms of percentage, that is mass upon mass। ये mass upon mass वाला है। So इस तरह से we can calculate the concentration of a given solution, okay now, in terms of mass upon mass percentage। Okay students, that's all in this today's video session। Goodbye students, have a good and wonderful day।